Have you ever talked to a stubborn person? A person who, no matter how much you try to convince him, always gives the opposite answer. If you say, "Don't do this," he will definitely do it. If you say this is right, he will go out of his way to prove you wrong. Now, the question is, can such people really change? Is there any secret with the help of which you can control their minds and decisions without arguing? Can you change their opinions? Can you bring them on the straight path? So, in today's video, I'm going to tell you a great psychological technique that you can use to calmly convince any stubborn person without fighting or arguing. And the fun part is that he will feel like he made the decision himself, even though that decision will be according to your wishes. Friends, this is reverse psychology, a secret trick that seems straightforward but has the opposite effect. You just say one thing and the next person starts doing exactly what you want. This is the power of reverse thinking, which can make any stubborn or disobedient person think rationally in your favor. Now just think, if you learn this art, you will be able to convince even your stubborn friends and even your family members without arguing. Friends, remember, reverse psychology is not an ordinary trick, but a psychological warfare weapon. Never say it straight, think it backwards. Yes, you heard it right. Reverse psychology is actually the science of thinking backwards. The secret to success in this is not that you explain it to others, but that you make them feel that the decision is theirs. There are many people in the world who, if they hear you say, "You can't do this," will set out to prove that they can. That's the magic of reverse psychology. Now you must be wondering, how does it work? How does it work? So friends, listen carefully. When you speak directly to a stubborn person, telling them you are wrong or don't do that, their mind immediately goes into defensive mode. A psychological wall is erected, and behind that wall, they reject everything you say because they feel like someone is trying to control them. No matter how good or logical your argument is, he will not believe it. That is why if you want to convince a stubborn person, you should not argue with him, but agree with him. If you tell him, "Yes, you are right, your point has weight," his mental wall falls down for a moment. As soon as you agree with him, his emotional brain relaxes and his rational brain wakes up. And that is when the real magic begins. Now you don't have to waste this opportunity. As soon as he relaxes, you should slowly and gently continue your conversation, as if you are asking him for advice, not interrupting him. He will listen, understand, and often agree with you. But if you say, "No, you are wrong," right from the start, that's the point end of the story. A closed mind, a closed heart, and a bad relationship. This technique works great not only for friends or colleagues, but also at home. For example, if your spouse, parent, or sibling is stubborn, instead of arguing with them, try to agree first, and then calm down when they are relaxed. They will be more likely to listen, understand, and agree. For example, if you want to say, "You shouldn't do this," don't say it directly. Say something like, "Yes, your point is correct, but have you ever thought that? If we adopt this method, maybe a better result will come." Friends, remember, when a person is angry or defensive, the rational part of his brain does not work. That is why it is said, never make a decision in anger, because at that time your emotional brain wakes up and the rational part goes to sleep. So before you try to convince a stubborn person cool down his emotions, then the understanding mind will awaken in him and he will start obeying you on his own. Friends, this entire technique is based on one thing, the human ego. The bigger the ego, the bigger the reaction, and reverse psychology silently turns that ego in your favor without touching it. Now imagine, if you learn this art, practice it, you will gain a new power level in your conversation. You will not argue with anyone, but the same people who were not under your control will start to accept your words wholeheartedly. Friends, if you are dealing with a person in life who argues all the time, is stubborn about everything, then definitely try this reverse psychology technique. Believe me, not only will he change, but your relationship, your conversations, and your confidence all will reach a new level. So have you ever convinced a stubborn person in your life with reverse psychology? Has there ever been an incident where you had to turn things around to make things straight?